Hi, my dear viewer. I will be very happy if you put like and subscribe to my channel. Temporary tattoos have gained popularity across all age groups, offering a safer alternative to permanent ink. They're a hit at parties, adding a touch of fun to the occasion. While applying a temporary tattoo takes some time for that flawless finish, a bit of patience ensures you can proudly flaunt either a transfer or stenciled glitter tattoo. Carefully clean the area you want to decorate with soap and water. Skin should be clean, dry, and free of makeup, sunscreen, or lotions. Your tattoo is protected by a thin layer of clear plastic. Carefully pick this off. The side with the ink that was protected by clear plastic will be called the face side. Press tattoo, design facing down, onto skin. Spray water against back of tattoo, and push it firmly against the backing of your tattoo. Hold it in place, and don't let it slip around, even if it wants to. Wait 30 seconds, then peel off paper backing. Gently rinse image with water for best effect.